What's up, guys? I'm coming at you with a quick tutorial on how to find key levels on breakout patterns. So here we have the star of the show from Friday, VXRT, and we actually have a full flag breakout right here. So I highlighted the rectangle area as an indicator of that just hasn't happened yet. That was just Friday. So what I like to do is I'll actually use parallels instead of single rails. That way I can mitigate the effect of fake breakouts. So what do I mean by that? I'm going to go ahead and find my first rail. We can see all the points of rejection here. Boom, boom. We can even count that over here. And then the second rail, I'm going to go ahead and use as the highest point with respect to the candle body of the actual highest point. Now, the next thing to do is to find our levels, and we're going to use our knowledge of looking left to plan right and using some psych numbers to get those numbers. So we have a level at the 10 psych level. Boom, it's over here, and we can see the points of rejection. Again, this is 9.99. You know, no one's levels are perfect, but we can get a vague understanding. So we have one at the 10 psych level, and subconsciously we should also have one at the 9.5. So right here, 9.5, we see areas of rejection, and we can go ahead and also dot one in between. We get the 9.75 psych level. We round that up a bit at these points of rejection. Support there. Boom, boom, boom. We know there's one around the 9.8, 9.75. Now, how do we use this blueprint in order to execute our trade the following day is everyone's question. So it's actually really easy. We have these parallel lines, and the combination of the levels, it gives you a blueprint of exactly where to start. You see, in this little block right here, we opened up above 9.5. Actually, I believe it was 9.6 or so before pulling back a little bit and then taking off. So once we're over 9.5, I opened up my starter right here. Now, we still have the possibility of being faked out at this second rail and at this second key level right here. So we know there's a lot of congestion in this area right here. But once we get the confirmation of breaking the second rail of going over the levels, we can actually go ahead and add into our starter. Now, if you opened up your full position at the 9.5 and it failed, now you're down, 20% on the weeklies, 15% on the weeklies, and if you took the 0-day expiration on Friday, you would have essentially been down 60% on your full position, as opposed to only having a small loss or scaling in on a working trade and getting all the way up here to the 13.5 area, which was actually pretty crazy. And we got our confirmation based off of volume here as well. It was just a beautiful setup that no one should have missed. I try to give it to everyone, and hopefully you can catch the next one based off of this little tutorial of how to find your own levels. All right, guys, catch you later.